Over here we have making subject or rearranging formula. Okay, here I need to make y as a subject. To make y as a subject, in other words, I have to isolate y. I have to make this y alone. This idea here is the same as solving equations. Okay, when I ask you to get this y alone, you will tell me, Mister, we are going to move this to the other side with minus. So y equals c minus x. This is the main idea here, is to reverse the operation or reverse the sign, because it was positive here. When it moved to the other side, it became what? Negative. Okay. And the second one here, I need to make b as a subject. I give you advice, once you see fraction equal something, immediately you have to make cross multiplication. Okay, so a minus b equals cd. Okay, I need to get b as a subject. So b here is negative b, so you can just move this to the other side with minus. So negative b equals cd minus a. How can I get rid of this negative here? Because I need to isolate b by multiplying the entire equation by -1. So it's going to be b equals negative cd plus a. Okay, or you can write a minus cd. Both are the same. Okay, when you take a look here, I need to make x as a subject. Okay, so to make this x as a subject, I have to move y to the other side, or minus y in both sides. I will have here root x equals z minus y. Now x is not isolated because we still have the square root. So the opposite of square root is squaring both sides. So I have to make it power of 2 here and power of 2 there. This power of 2 will cancel the root. So x equals z minus y all to the power of 2. Here I want to make y as a subject. So to get y as a subject, you have to get rid of these brackets first. You have to expand this bracket. So x will be distributed here and there. We will have here xc minus xy equals d. Okay, now move this to the other side here. So negative xy equals d minus xc. We need to get y as a subject and we need to isolate y. So I have to divide both sides by negative x. So y equals d minus xc over negative x. Or you can just distribute the negative up by making it here over x. And this negative will change the positions up to make it xc minus d. This is correct and this is also correct. Now I need to make y as a subject. To make y as a subject here, I told you earlier, you must, once you see this, you make cross multiply. So k multiply x plus y equals x plus y multiply 1, because this is over 1, xy. Okay. Like the previous question, you have to expand this here and there. So k x plus ky equals xy. Here, unlike the other questions, here you have a problem, which is you have a y here and a y there. So what will you do? You have to get all y's in one side, then take y as a common factor. This is a very common idea here. Okay. Type. How can we do that? Let's move this to the other side. We will have here kx equals xy minus ky. Take y as a common factor from here. So y, open brackets, x minus k. Then here we have kx as it is. We have between them multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So to isolate y, I will divide here by x minus k, and here also by x minus k. In this case, this will be cancelled with that. So kx over x minus k equals y, and this is our final answer.